In this video, we will explore how to debug C programs using GDB, the GNU Debugger. GDB is a powerful tool that helps you find and fix bugs in your code. A powerful tool for finding and fixing bugs. Over the course of this video, we will learn about the introduction to GDB, setting up debugging environment, basic GDB commands, breakpoints and watchpoints, and examining program state. GDB, which stands for GNU Debugger, is a powerful tool that allows you to inspect what a program is doing at a certain point, stop execution at specific lines using breakpoints, examine variable values during execution, step through code line by line, and find where and why programs crash. To compile a C program for debugging, use the GCC compiler with the G flag. For example, type gcco program to see in your terminal. This includes debugging symbols in the executable, which GDB needs. To start GDB with your program, type gdb/program. This opens the GDB prompt, indicated by GDB_, where you can enter debugging commands. Let's explore some essential GDB commands. The example C program shown here calculates the sum of numbers from 1 to 10. To start program execution, type run in the GDB prompt. To set a breakpoint at the main function, type break main. To set a breakpoint at a specific line, such as line 7, type break 7. To execute the next line of code, stepping over function calls, use the next command. To step into function calls, use the step command. To display the value of a variable such as sum, type print sum. To continue execution until the next breakpoint, type continue. Finally, to exit GDB, type quit. Breakpoints and watchpoints are essential tools for controlling program execution. Breakpoints pause the program at specific locations, such as a line number, function, or file in line. You can also set conditional breakpoints that trigger only when a specific condition is met. Watchpoints, on the other hand, monitor variable changes. When a watched variable or expression changes value, the program stops, allowing you to examine the cause of the change. For example, after setting a breakpoint at line 7 and running the program, you can print the value of I, set a watchpoint on sum, and continue execution to observe how sum changes. When debugging, it's crucial to inspect the program state. The print var command displays the value of a variable. To see the value pointed to by a pointer, use print *ptr. You can also display specific array elements with print array 5. The display var command automatically shows the variable's value after each step. To see all local variables, use info locals. The backtrace command shows the call stack, while frame in switches to stack frame number int. Finally, info breakpoints lists all set breakpoints. For example, you can set a breakpoint at main, run the program, step through the code, and use display to monitor variables like I and sum. When debugging, you may encounter common issues such as segmentation faults, memory leaks, infinite loops, unexpected values, and logic errors. Segmentation faults can be traced using backtrace. Memory leaks can be detected with Valgrind alongside GDB. Infinite loops can be stopped with conditional breakpoints. Unexpected values can be caught with watchpoints. To debug logic errors, step through the code line by line. Core dumps can be loaded with the command GDB program core. Some GDB tips include using GDB2A for a split-screen source view, creating a .binit file for custom settings, and using setPrintPretty on for readable structures. The debugging example here shows a program with memory allocation and array access bugs. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.